Hey guys, it's me again. Welcome back to another episode of Pritpal's Projects, and in this one we are carrying on with the carport project. So in this episode I'm actually in the future again filming this because I'm not very good at planning my videos out. But this episode we are going to be doing the beams, doing the boarding of the roof and building the actual structure itself. So please stay tuned. So just update on the carport project. I actually spent a little bit of sunny time and I used the sun that came out of nowhere and decided to paint all the 7x2s that we had. So this is them all painted. They're just in a big pile at the back. And we got the OSB sheets and we painted the bottoms of them black. Now that they're black, what that means is we can put the roof together and we won't have to paint anything, and it should look pretty nice. This is all of the panels.
Come here.
Yeah.
Lift it from there. Take it to here. No, one second. We'll have to move that ladder. What I'm saying is, keep that bit on the ground. Have this bit rested against there, coming like that. Yeah. And then we put the bolt in so we don't have to hold it up there. Only one. Yeah, look, put it down here. Move it. Lift it. Wait, leave it there. Leave it there. I can't even. You keep it there, I'm gonna go up. We're not hitting anything, are we? Like, oh, we're gonna lift it. Go on. You're gonna have to. You just keep it held there, yeah? I've got it. Put it down and start screwing it in.
So this is like day 3 now, and yesterday we actually did quite a bit of work. So we started putting up rafters. Now I stopped filming a little bit of it because we were just getting used to how to do it, but we basically put these wall hangers in. So the wall hangers attach onto the main beam, and then the main beam has been bolted into the wall as well. And then we put a hanger on the other side. We measure the piece, we cut it, and we drop it in, and you can actually see it on camera really well, but there's a good slope to the roof, and then that's going to ensure that all of our water goes to the end and it goes straight into the gutter that we've already put in place. But the aim now is going to be cut the rest of the wall hangers, get them in for the rest of the way, and start getting sheets on the top. And then yeah, but it is a bit cold today. Like, you can see how bad the weather actually is here. Like 2 days ago it was baking hot, and now we've had to light a little fire just keep us warm while we're doing the work today. So let's see how we get on. Hey guys, so I haven't actually updated it. So the last bit of footage that I got was literally putting the last board in, but we've boarded basically the entire ceiling and we've actually started doing a layer of felt. So there's one layer of felt on the whole roof. It's not very nice looking, but it's just the base layer, and we're going to probably do about 2 more as well. But this is basically the carport. Now it is quite dark in here and I will be putting lights in, but this is why we pre-stained all of the wood, because it looks really nice and finished. And by painting the bottom of the OSB black, it gives a really nice look to the wood. So we've put one set of noggins in as well, which is these cross pieces on the joins of the OSB, and we're going to do another line of them going across there to give additional support to the roof, because it is such a large span. And like, we've got a little fire going just to keep us warm. But this is basically the carport, so the entire driveway is covered now, so it means that I can work on my cars here. So I think that's been everything for this episode. I think I'm gonna finish it off here and put everything else in another episode, because it's a lot of footage now. So thank you guys very much for watching. Please stay tuned for the next part of this series, where we will be doing the lights, finishing off the felting, making sure it's all weatherproof and watertight. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you for watching.